If you're over 40, you don't want a business that needs you online all day to survive. You want something that supports your life, something that can still work when you're at dinner, you're on vacation, or just living life. That's what a system is for. In this video, I'm not going to overwhelm you with tech or a million steps. I'm going to show you the ship that makes a 2-hour workday realistic. No DM hustle, no begging friends and family, no reinventing the wheel, just a simple routine that builds momentum one day at a time. A lot of people think that building income online means being glued to your phone, but freedom isn't more screen time. Freedom is leverage. Freedom is having a system that can bring people to you, even when you're not chasing them. And I know that matters for this stage of life because the goal isn't to be busy. The goal is to be secure. Let's talk about DMing for a second. If your income depends on how many messages you send, your income is fragile. Because the moment you're tired, busy, traveling, or just not feeling it, the income stops. The goal in 2026 is not more outreach. The goal is more inbound, where people come to you because your message landed at the exact moment they needed it. Think about Amazon. Amazon doesn't wake up every day and DM people like, hey, do you want to buy something today? No, Amazon built a system, a store, a process, a customer journey. So when you need something, Amazon is there. That's what you're building online. Not a personality circus, not a hustle job, a system that works. Here's the truth. People can't buy from you if they don't know you exist. In 2026, visibility is created through content. But content shouldn't feel like posting for attention. Content should feel like digital real estate. Each video is like a little property that you own online. And the more properties you have, the more chances someone stumbles into your world and says, where have you been? Now, here's the part that surprises people. This doesn't require 8 hours a day. It requires a focused routine, roughly 2 hours a day. And you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent because consistent creates compounding. Here's the mindset. You're not trying to go viral. You're trying to be findable. You're trying to build trust at scale. That's how ordinary people create extraordinary results. The simplest structure that I've seen for this is 3 short videos a day, and each one has a job. Video 1 is visibility. It's super short. This is the I exist video. It grabs attention. It stops the scroll. Video 2 is for connection. It's a short story or truth. This is where people go, oh my gosh, that's me. This is trust. And video 3 is conversion, a simple next step. This is where you tell people what to do next, not with pressure, but with clarity. And when you combine these 3 types consistently, you stop chasing people and your system starts pulling. One of the simplest ways to drive traffic without spending money is using free online ad boards and local listing sites, places where people are already searching. Those ads send people into your system. Your system does the explaining and the follow-up, and you're not stuck DMing strangers all day. Your job is simple. Place the ads, let the system work, respond only to people who raise their hand. If you're over 40 and you're thinking about the future, hear me. You don't need 10 different income streams. You need one simple model that you can actually stick with. One offer, one system, and 2 hours a day. And a message that finds the right people, That's how you build something that supports your lifestyle without sacrificing it. Click the link in my bio to get free access to the Freedom Formula Blueprint.